Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find events on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the first option, the event, at the bottom of the page. And this section you can find the new events and the past events. And if you want to check one, just click that or not, because not good thing. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.